In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar events overlay on charts. If you're a trader looking to gain insights into how historical or upcoming events might influence market movements, this feature on Tradingview is incredibly valuable. So let's dive right in and explore how you can use this tool to enhance your trading strategy. First, we'll begin by opening a chart. You can select any trading pair that interests you. For today, let's use the BTC-USD chart as our example. Opening the chart is your first step into visualizing price movements and the potential impact of various events. Once the chart is up, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen, where you'll find a calendar icon. This is a crucial element of the process, as it serves as the gateway to overlaying calendar events on your chart. Clicking this icon will activate the feature, providing you with a visual representation of important events within the market right on your price chart. This saves you time by integrating event information directly into your trading workspace, rather than requiring you to cross-reference separate calendars. After you click on the calendar icon, you'll notice various events such as Federal Open Market Committee meetings and Consumer Price Index releases appearing on your chart. These events are denoted by icons or markers on your price chart, correlating them with specific dates. This visual aid helps you quickly identify periods when the market might experience volatility due to economic announcements. Now, to gain more insights, you can hover your cursor over these icons. Doing so will reveal detailed information about each event, such as the scheduled time and a brief description. This aspect is particularly useful for understanding the macroeconomic impacts these events might have. It's a feature designed to help you time your trades better by being aware of when significant announcements could potentially affect market sentiment and, subsequently, price action. For traders who factor in macroeconomic indicators into their analysis, this tool is a strategic advantage. You can plan entries and exits around these impactful events, ensuring you're not caught off guard by sudden market swings. By being mindful of scheduled news releases and economic indicators, you position yourself well to anticipate possible market shifts and adjust your strategies accordingly. So there you have it, a straightforward way to utilize the calendar events overlay feature on Tradingview charts. By systematically adding this to your trading routine, you gain a more comprehensive understanding of the underlying market forces at play. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to practice using this feature consistently to refine your trading insights and strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy